In this tutorial video we will show how ALC can verify a death claim under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana scheme. Log into ALC dashboard and navigate to Claims. Select the claim application to verify, and go to Options and click on View. Now verify the documents which was uploaded by Deo. To view the documents, click on the View button. If the document is found to be not valid, ALC can reject the claim application. Once the documents are verified, go to Actions and click Verify. Enter appropriate remark. Check the consent box and click on Confirm button. That's it. This is how ALC can verify death claim application. Thank you.